No, Blue.
Blue, go over there.
Okay, I'll put it in later.
This one, Blue, pink, over here, over here. Fishy.
That good?
Yeah. Fishy, the train tie says that.
Oh, fixing the train track is good.
Yeah.
Let's put it back on.
I want it.
Okay, you put it on.
No.
There.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
I will go. No, go.
It's doing a good job, Azealia.
It's not beauty. It's talking yuck. They talking that.
Oh yeah, that's a talking spot.
Yeah, talking spot.
Yeah, the green one is too.
Yeah.
Ooh, the car is saying that it loves racing. Can you race the car?
Yeah. Race.